another video in the machine shed. This area right here is where my workbench is going to go. I have the workbench sitting over at the house and I need to get it in here. I have all of these woodworking machines in the way. Got a planer, a mortiser, a jointer, and a drill press here. And I already rolled this old Delta dust collector into room 13 to get it out of the way. I need to get my workbench here so I can work on stuff, and so I can get at this back area here, this shelving area, and get that organized. Once I get my bench in here, I've got a really nice Yoast vise that I need to get connected to the bench. So my task is to get this area cleaned up. All right, there it is. I have all the machines cleared out. The planer has possibly the worst mobile base ever made, the old Delta mobile base, and they're still making that. I looked for mobile bases last night to replace this. I won't be getting another Delta. Oh, I still got to get the jointer in here. I was going to put the planer there, but it doesn't fit through the door. I just need everything out of my way so I can get some slat wall on this wall. There is my cat. Maisie, get off of there. She gets bored when she's out here if I don't pet her for a little while. That's what she does. Okay. Found a temporary home for my wood clamps. I have a ton of these things. One up there, and I got some monsters up there right next to the monster cat. So now that this is all cleared out for the most part, I just got to move this sheet stock over in front of this big shelf. I think I'll move all this wood there as well. Oh, there's the cat. Get that all out of my way. This summer, once we move the gator out of the shelter in the back here, I'm gonna set up some lumber racks in the shelter. Hopefully we can build some kind of new structure to hold the lumber or some of the machines. This machine's got to get out of here. This one can sit in the elements over the winter, as can the other tractor, but I think I'll move the Farmall A back in here and do the work on her next winter. I'm going to do a little moving stuff around